Road accidents? Hassle! But not when you're with Honda. Just ask Archie. Archie is on his way to meet his friends when suddenly he got into an accident. No matter how careful you are on the road, accidents can happen. In situations like this, make sure to stay calm. Do what Archie did. When you've assured yourself from potential injuries and talked to the other party involved, file and secure a police report. Call and go to the nearest Honda dealership and consult with a service advisor. This is Danielle, our service advisor. He consoled and checked in with the troubled Archie and will do the same to you. He will then assess the damage and compute the cost estimate for your car's repair using the Honda Standard Body and Paint Estimation tool. Honda utilizes this tool to ensure a streamlined process and standardized costing in all branches. Accidents can be categorized into two, namely third-party and self-accidents. If you've been involved in a third-party accident, you must file a police report and submit the required documents. If you were involved in a self-caused accident, you must secure a notarized driver's affidavit and comply with the necessary documents. It's important to take note that self-accidents also include hit and runs and natural disasters. Complete and submit all necessary documents, and Honda will do the rest. Next, the service advisor must validate your insurance and see to it that it covers up your repairs. Once your letter of authorization is approved, ensure that your car is at the dealership immediately to begin the repair. Next step is the car repair. Repair time varies on the kind of damages your car attained. For the actual repair process, Honda's Body Alignment Service prevents an uneven car figure. Honda uses standard MIG and spot welding equipment to retain metal strength and structure for your car. Honda uses water-based paints to allow an effective curing process that is not harsh for the car and the environment. Finally, Honda uses only quality parts for your car done by skilled technicians. Before releasing your car, Honda initiates a final quality inspection process for your reassurance. To recap, here are the steps you must do. That way, you can be assured once you get back on the road. Road accidents? Head straight to Honda. Efficient process from start to finish.